Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be talking about the Black Shark 5 Pro. This phone is designed specifically for gamers and is packed with powerful features to deliver the ultimate gaming experience. We'll be taking a closer look at what makes this phone stand out from the rest. Let's start with the design. The Black Shark 5 Pro features a unique and aggressive design, with a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels. The phone has a glass back with a matte finish, which gives it a premium look and feel. It's also water and dust resistant with an IP68 rating. Now, let's talk about the gaming features. The Black Shark 5 Pro is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, which is a high-end chipset. It has up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of internal storage, which is not expandable. It also has a large 4500 mAh battery with support for 120W fast charging. The Black Shark 5 Pro also features a variety of gaming-specific features, such as physical triggers on the side of the phone that act as virtual gaming triggers. It also has a built-in cooling system with a liquid cooling chamber to prevent overheating during long gaming sessions. When it comes to the camera, the Black Shark 5 Pro features a triple camera setup with a 64-megapixel primary camera, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 5-megapixel macro camera. The front camera is a 20-megapixel sensor, which takes great selfies. The Black Shark 5 Pro runs on Android 11 with the company's own UI 12.5. It has a few additional features, such as a Shark Space mode that optimizes performance for gaming and a Gamer Studio tool that lets you record gameplay and share it online. Overall, the Black Shark 5 Pro is an impressive phone designed specifically for gamers. It has a powerful processor, a large battery, and a variety of gaming-specific features that make it stand out from other high-end smartphones. If you're a serious mobile gamer, the Black Shark 5 Pro is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching.